Touch typing is an incredibly useful skill as it will dramatically increase the rate at which you can enter information into a computer. This tutorial is going to show you how to type without looking at the keyboard. It might be obvious, but the first step you need to take in learning how to type without looking at the keyboard is not to look at the keyboard. It's going to be really tempting to look because it makes you think you're typing faster, and it might at first, but keep your eyes on the screen. After a while, your typing will be much faster if you don't look at the keyboard. To make sure that you hit the right keys every time, it's also essential that you learn the right finger positions. This picture shows you where each finger should be. Pause this video now if you need to get familiar with these positions. There are also little bumps on the F and J keys on your keyboard to indicate where you need to place both of your index fingers. Now that you're not looking at the keyboards and you know where your fingers go, the best way to learn is simply to practice. A great website for this can be found at www.typing.com. Here, you're going to find a free typing practice system which allows you to enter words and have your speed and accuracy measured. Once the site has loaded, click on the bubble and you will be prompted to begin typing. Do this. Use this site regularly to practice your typing, and you will find that you soon learn how to type without looking at the keyboard. If you dedicate yourself to using this site regularly and practice your typing every day, you're going to find that pretty soon you're going to know how to type without looking at the keyboard.